if you want to edit a button or change a button's function, you're going to want to do the same thing as if you were changing the picture or the label. You want to navigate to whatever that page is. So for example, let's say under Don't Like, I want a page, you'll notice here, it just goes back and says, I don't like that. But if I want to have options, I can go back to that page, go to Blue Tools key, Setup key, and now I can select that button. I don't want to change the icon or the label, I just want it to now navigate to another page. So here I'm going to spell message or define key function. And here what I want it to do is page link. I could also insert a tool, which I'll show you next. But if I want a page link, it will ask me if I want the page to stay open, meaning when I hit I don't like that, the page will stay open and I can select what I don't like. Or if it closes, it'll do what the key currently does and take me back to the main page. So here I want it to stay open. Here are all the different pages that we have as options. Okay? You can go more items, you'll see pages, my foods, okay? Or you can create a new page. This is what I want to do because I want it to be my don't like page. Just like when you're saving it, if you put an A in front of it or an underscore, it will show up first. I'm going to hit OK. And I want the grid size to be the same. So I'm going to hit OK. OK and OK. And OK again. And you'll see now if I go to names, sentences, don't like, it opens the page. So here I can add all those dislikes. You'll also notice it doesn't have a clear button on this page and it doesn't have a go back button. So you'll want to add them. To do that, you'll hit Blue Tools key, Blue Tools key and Setup key. Hit the button you want to change. Change icon. So in this one, I want it to go back. So I'm going to spell message or define key function. This is where I'm going to insert a tool because I'm making that button do something, just like a tool does something. Again, you can go through each category or you can spell. Okay, go back page. There you go. I'm going to select go back page, hit OK, hit OK, and it'll take me back. Okay? Now, if you go back to that page, you'll notice that the label is incorrect. I don't want it to say that, so I'm going to hit Blue Tools key, Setup key, and I'm going to change the label to say go back. Now, I also want a clear key. So instead of selecting OK, I'm going to say choose next key to define. So in the bottom left, I want this to be clear. So I'm going to spell icon to find. Again, we're following the 1, 2, 3 pattern. Hit OK. Clear. And again, I have to make that turn into a tool or the key function. So I'm going to insert tool, clear, and you'll see clear display. And again, I don't want the label to be that long thing, so I'm just going to say clear. And now, see how I have stuff up here in the message window? I hit clear and it clears it out.